Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
Mike, Minecraft for Windows. So here I'm gonna teach you how to fix Microsoft Store launcher download failures for your for your Minecraft for Windows. So first thing you need to do is check your internet connection right here. Make sure it's connected to the Wi-Fi and it has a stable connection to the internet. And make sure you're using LAN if you're using PC and avoid mobile data and check for your Microsoft account. Open the Microsoft account store to the store that you bought your Minecraft account. As you can see right here, my I don't have a Minecraft account, so here I have to buy it, but I don't own it yet. But yeah, so yeah, there you go. So yeah, the first thing you need to do is check the internet and in your Microsoft account if it's correct before proceeding. And next thing to do is reset the Microsoft Store. If your Minecraft is not working, um, if your Minecraft launcher is not working and your Minecraft is not downloading for some reason, you can reset the Microsoft Store. You can do is Windows plus R, or you can just type here run, then type this WR, then WS, then RESET dot exe. There you go. Again, WSRESET dot exe or WS restart dot exe. And then press on enter and then wait for the Microsoft Store to reopen. So this clears store cache and fixes stock downloads for Microsoft. And then another way to do it is by using the Minecraft launcher. It's the Minecraft launcher itself. Just open it. Then it takes a little bit too long to open there. Once you're here, just go to settings, then apps, and then wait. I'm gonna show you right here. Or as you can see right here, you can do is what they call this as repair or restart the Minecraft launcher. So you see right here, here's our Minecraft launcher. And to restart this or repair, just go to here, then type in settings. There you go. Type in settings, then click on apps right here. After clicking on apps right there, search in Minecraft launcher. Let's see. There you go. Minecraft launcher. Then once you're here, click on advanced options as you see right there. And once you're there, press on repair. If there you go. So if this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app data won't be affected. Just click on repair and then it will repair it. There you go. If it still fails, if it's still not working, I suggest restart it. Just click on restart if it fails to repair it. So if this app isn't working right, reset it. The app data will be deleted, and 100% it will be fixed. It will be fixed. Yeah. And if it's still not working, I suggest going to your settings right here. Then go to your updates, update and security. Then update the check for updates right here. Click on check for updates and update your Windows. There you go. So just doing that. And then for the last one is for the alternative, you can install via Xbox app. So that's an alternative. If Microsoft Store still fails, you can just go open the Xbox app from the store. Then search for Minecraft for Windows. Then there you go. Just click on that and install it just like normally. And then you can just use the Microsoft launcher right here if you want. So yeah, there you go, guys. And yeah, there you go, guys. And for my final one, a quick tip for you guys. If it's not working, I suggest completely uninstalling it by just typing it right here. For example, let's say the Minecraft launcher. Uninstall it right here. Just click on uninstall, and then after clicking on uninstall, there you go. Just download it again. Just reinstall it. Just reinstall it on your Microsoft Store. And if still not working, I suggest uninstall it and then install it to Xbox app. So there you go, guys. Hope you guys the video guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions, type it on the comment section below. Happy to answer you, and thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.